Good morning. My name's Andy Coyle. Welcome to Laguna Classic Cars. I'm going to show you this gorgeous 1965 Pontiac GTO. This has been obviously restored. Beautiful red paint. White interior, has the tri-power V8, 4-speed on the floor. All the classic 60s muscle car stuff. Stacked headlights, recessed grille, really gorgeous paint, new vinyl top, soft top, painted stripes, chrome is good. Very nice car, really nicely done. Really nice. Has red line tires, new upholstery, 4-speed with the console. Seat belts, dashboard no cracks, glass is all good. Let's open up this puppy here. So this bad boy has the infamous tri-power 3 2-barrels, has aluminum radiator, nice upgrade, really excellent quality paint. Holy smokes, this car looks amazing. Nice and dry underneath. So has a working parking brake. It's a 4-speed. Has the console here. Looks like the original radio. Fan defrost. Has the tachometer here, which works. Speedo with the flags on it. I'm pretty certain this is the real deal. It's got all the parts and pieces of a real GTO, but we'll confirm it. So the thing starts right up. I don't hear the fan. Wipers work. We'll go for a quick drive. Parking brake off. Power steering. Power brakes. I may have started in 3rd gear. I think I did. Yeah. So the tachometer works, the speedo does not. We'll get to the bottom of that. It drives really nice. Very nice. Has good power. Has very good power. Wow, mid-range power is awesome. So we're going to do a U-turn here. What a nice car. Great sound too. Well, that drives out excellent, really good power and comfortable driving. So we'll hit fourth gear just to show it. So fourth gear works fine, gearbox as tight as a drum. Nice car, I love it. Usually on these cars, speedo is a cable issue. It's fixable. So let's review 1965 Pontiac GTO. Has the tri-power. Four-speed. Convertible, new convertible top, new interior, new paint. Very nice, solid, good car. So we have financing available. Let me know how we can earn your business. Thank you.